Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shahrul Umar Usman. I'm S6 grader. I want to perform my presentation by motion. This host will explore the universe. Explore the universe is to travel from a country to other country, to know the culture and the beauty as other place and our world. The impact of exploring the universe, is short time and long time. Impact so big and bigger that you might imagine right now in a short time. We can learn the process of the start of our universe. The meaning is we learn the beginning of the earth life and human. In long time, the human will know scientifically there is as big opportunity. The life in other planet will decide. Our mindset will change totality. From philosophy side, believe our science and technology side. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks.